మంచి స్వాతిరెడ్డి పాటతో మంచి సెన్సేషన్ని క్రియేట్ చేసినటువంటి రెబా మోనికా జాన్ని వేదిక మీదకి రావాల్సిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఇందాక సాంగ్ కోసం వచ్చి డాన్స్ పర్ఫామ్ చేశారు, మాటలు మాత్రం వినలేదు. సో ఇన్వైటింగ్ రెబా టు ప్లీజ్ కమ్ ఆన్ టు ద స్టేజ్. ఎస్ ప్లీజ్.
జామ చెట్టు కాస్తాయి జామకాయలో 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 మామిడికాయలో.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. First of all, I'd like to say thank you, Naga Chaitanya Garu, for gracing our occasion. And congratulations on Tandel. That was a fantastic performance. Sir, to all the amazing guests who are here, I need to say thank you for coming. Truly an honor for me to be standing here. In fact, I'm a very, very small part of this film. I did this really cool, fun song called Swati Reddy. It was a very big decision for me, but I think the moment they came to me and said, you know, it's for this film Mad, I didn't really think twice. I said yes immediately because everybody who's watched the film Mad has loved the performances, loved the entire film. So I'm like, Mad 2 is going to be fab, and to be a part of it, even in a small way, is going to be wonderful. So I took up the opportunity and almost felt like I shot the entire film with them. That's the kind of fun we had those 3 days. First of all, I'd like to say what a wonderful team. I'm so grateful to have danced with you 4 in fact. Thank you for making me feel so comfortable. I want to say thank you to the producers for being so kind, for giving me this opportunity, this space. I want to name everyone, but I don't want to take so much time. I hope everybody loves the film. I know they will. And thank you to everyone for listening to the song, loving the song. I'm sure you're going to like it even more when you watch the entire thing on March 28th. But thanks a lot to each and every one. Wishing all of you a big, big, big success. I'm sure it's already a success, but just wishing you again. Really, really grateful to have been part of this. Thank you so much for having me here. And I'm really sorry if I've left anybody. Actually, I've left everybody out. I said thank you collectively, but I truly mean it. Thanks to each and every one.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్
Thank you, Suma garu.
స్వాతి రెడ్డి. అదే రేబా, ఈ స్వీట్ ఆ ముగ్గురులో కల్లా ఎవరు ఒకళ్ళకి మాత్రమే పెట్టాలంటే ఎవరికి పెడతారో చెప్పండి ఇక్కడ.
Controversial.
Yes, we want some controversy.
On what basis?
On what basis? Any reason, like whomever you like the most.
Oh. Can I take one and divide it?
No,
among
you
the
have to
three?
tell the name now first. Sweet పెట్టి
What if
పేరు
I say
చెప్పండి.
laddu?
లడ్డు ఆ 3లో లేడుగా లడ్డు. ఆ 3లో లడ్డు లేడు.
I mean, all the 3 of them are super special to me.
Very
I think they're
optimistic.
great friends of mine.
ఓకే
Come on.
తీసుకోండి.
I think I danced the most with Sangeet,
సంగీత్. ఓకే యా సంగీత్లకే మనం ఎక్కువ డాన్స్ చేస్తాం.
but also talked equally more with Ram.
ఓకే
So,
సో తీసుకోండి, తీసుకొని వెళ్ళి పెట్టేసేయండి.
what do you want
Sangeet.
with sweet?
ఓ ఆ ఆప్షన్స్ లేవు, మీరు ఏ స్వీట్ పెడితే అది తినడమే. ఓకే
done.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఎస్ యూ క్యాన్.
Thank you.